Getting converted into flats or something.
I don't know what they're doing with that. It's all fenced off and everything, but there's something going on there.
There you go, tree protection zones. So even them trees, small ones, they're staying. The big one's staying, and them tiny ones there, look, are staying. There you are. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, that's brilliant. Being kept, being kept. I was on about this earlier on in the video, about how some of these trees are going to be kept. You know what I mean? And this is why they can only build so many houses. This one's going then. Why? Oh, it's quite dead in places. This one's going, them are staying. Right, let's go and check the air raid shelter, which is under the airman's mess, which they cleared out. Yeah. And you can now get in, huh? Yep. Alright, let's see if it still stinks as well. You always leave everything in the car. Oh. I'm having to lean on things to get me in. Oh god, it stinks. Woo! The old air raid shelter, ladies and gentlemen. Forgive me, I'm trying to lean on things to... Look at that, look. Yeah. Over there is the old escape hatch, look. There's the seats, look. And there you go, look, the escape hatch. Look at that. Right. That would have been the toilet, still got its light and everything, look. Old door, original supports, some of the supports for the seating. You can tell now it's drained and it's open. People have been in and graffitied it. But we all know it's getting knocked down now, so I suppose most people's arguments will be that the old iron original door. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. There's Kev having a pee, look. No. It's just a position, it looked like it's a...
Just put the gadget out. Everybody's gone mad. That's the first time we use this sort of light.
I think Kev's going to go back down so he can film it. Oh yeah, your light. I bet that well shows up there. See how good this light is. Kev's a gadget man. So, you know what I mean? He comes out with like £1 million worth of gadgets. Drones, torches, lights, GoPros, bloody everything you can think of. It's not too bad, is it? Add a bit of that in there.
It's mainly sort of like a floodlight type thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so this is the GoPro.
Obviously, loads you know the place, loads you've seen videos of the place and everything like that. But yeah, definitely trying to get it all documented. Tree protection zone all the way around there, around the old HQ. That's good. Let's hope they keep it like they said they was going to do. And there's messages starting to pop up everywhere. There's a lot of good. Oh, that's coronavirus just there. TikTok, my user, coronavirus, aka COVID-19.
Chinese spy in it.
Yep. They've just kicked Hawaii out, haven't they?
Yeah, I was a bit surprised by that.
That's new.
Oh yeah.
So, do what to take a picture? While I'm recording, can you do that?
You can't do
Right,
it.
okay then. You can do it off yours, take a picture, can't you? From that.
Not on a GoPro, can't
Right, okay.
No, nothing. I can take a picture after.
Right, okay.
You know, like off the actual video footage.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
So from your video footage, will you be able to put some of these up?
What are these?
Ovens.
They're like body things.
They do, morgue things. That's what, funny you should say. That guy you talked about earlier on, that's what he said they were. Your matey, he was on about the famous.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, not him, Danny, sorry. Yeah, that Danny guy does the ghost things. He thought these were morgue things,
Yeah.
or embellished, but they're actually ovens. Because this is the canteen, look. Canteen, kitchen. Is there anything new? Yeah, there is something new as well. I might have got this on camera. Zig fuse Nero Jago Yano. Brilliant. Is there anything new on the other side? But how about this though, Kev? You can remember this was quite clean, weren't it, when we first used to come? Yeah, and now look at it, look. Yeah, I love this building. And as I say to people, if you watch Full Metal Jacket, the movie, yeah, you'll see the red tile floors and all that kind of thing, and some of it. In Basenbourne, where the movie was made, yeah, this is what they used for the dormitories in that movie. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's all going. Ba-boom.
The guy still there, hasn't he, maybe?
Yeah,
Oh, someone painted glasses on him.
yeah. We'll be in a minute. Surprisingly, there's no one here at the minute. I don't think I've ever been here when there's no one else here, bar us. Bloody pigeon almost got me. Eat more pasta. I heard a whistle then. The old light fittings. 2-level canteen. More trees being protected there, all them round there, that's quite good. Yeah, that's quite good. The old dumb waiters, what used to be in the centre there to bring the food up. Pot wash areas over there. Oh. Someone's brought a load of stuff here to burn, start fires. It's part of the old washrooms, if I remember. That's really gone. You used to be able to walk through there, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. You took a picture?
Yeah, well, video. I got the video. I knew that light had more use.
Oh, right, yeah. There you go, look, he's used the, he's using the light as a prop. That's cool. Old light fitting. It almost look like it's Arctic camouflage. Where did I put that down? Look at that. That, ladies and gentlemen, all that came from down here in here. This was flooded all the way up and blocked up. Look at that. That's where they bunged the rubbish on the site. Wow. It's still practically full of rubbish as well. Suppose you've got to document it. People haven't been able to get in these for years. There you go. That's how much water's been in here. See the tide line on the wall? That's the watermark. Look at the door. The door is rusted. There's the tide mark there. That's where the rust has been breaking down, look. Amazing. Amazing.
What is that? What is that?
What torch?
Yeah.
Oh, light.
Which one?
MR2.
Does it have a twist or something? Where it can go wider?
No.
Does the end turn?
No.
I thought it had a couple of settings where you twist it and it goes wider.
That'd be nice. I've ordered one from China, funny enough. What does that? You meant to do that.
Yeah, that will last about enough.
Well, I got another one, and it didn't turn up with the rechargeable batteries. And I'm like,
What's that? I know, like.
no, another one from China. One of them big ones you see on Facebook giving out all the time. I know someone's got one and said they are good. And it turned up with no rechargeable battery. And it won't accept normal batteries. You know what I mean? I was like, so now I've ordered one which is going to accept AA batteries.
I think I'll stick with Rolite. The Rolite head torch is good. It's very good. It spreads a lot.
Olite, if you're watching this, it ain't our bloody plug-in you guys.